playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Keep it steady, keep it real, stay consistent in the game. Mindset lock eyes on the charts, never playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Wake up, check the screens, markets moving like a stream. Candles flashing, volume crashing, focus on the dream. Persistence in the blood, discipline in every trade. Analyze, strategize, stack the wins we made. Stop loss tight, take profit right, don't let emotion slide. Trading smart, play the charts, let the trend be your guide. Pattern watching, EMA touching, RSI in line on more than hit. Breakout lit, we strike at the right time. Wake up early, answer your son. Yo, traders, rise up. It's grind time. All day, every day. Let's get it. Keep it steady, keep it real, stay consistent in the game. Mindset lock eyes on the charts, never playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Keep it steady, keep it real, stay consistent in the game. Mindset lock eyes on the charts, never playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Wake up, check the screens, markets moving like a stream. Candles flashing, volume crashing, focus on the dream. Persistence in the blood, discipline in every trade. Analyze, strategize, stack the wins we made. Stop loss tight, take profit right, don't let emotion slide. Trading smart, play the charts, let the trend be your guide. Pattern watching, EMA touching, RSI in line on more than hit. Breakout lit, we strike at the right time. Wake up early, answer your son. 100 traders deep, yeah, the grind's begun. Coffee strong, notebooks out, focus in the zone. Pablo on the mic, trade the plan, stay grown. Bart steps in like cut losses early. Keep the mindset sharp, never trade it blurry. Pablo drops wisdom, analyze upset, demo chimey. Knowledge in the room, yeah, hits like an army. All in the wind, we don't play, we commit. From the charts to the beach, every lesson we hit. Diamond hands in the sand, green can.
Okay, guys, good morning everyone. Another live trading session. Today is Friday, so nearly end of the week. For us, it's the last day to make some trades, to make some profits. Okay, because I do not trade during the weekends. Of course, you can do that if you are trading on crypto. But yeah, for me, last day today, so it has to be a good day for us because it's end of the week, so we can make some nice profits and close the week like we should, like a pro, guys. This week was pretty good. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was very well, and yesterday I had small stop loss, but that's okay. We are still in plus. Okay, guys, so like usual, we're gonna start from our microeconomic calendar to see if there's anything important. So we're gonna do that now. Just give me a second. I want to check the chat because I cannot see the chat. 2 seconds, guys. I won't be long. Okay. All right, I can see the chat now. Good, guys. So we had opportunity to open the trade right now. So we are late 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. I'm in position on my one of my accounts on gold, 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. Trade was activated right now. So maybe we might have a chance to enter again, but to be honest, if the price will get somewhere here, I will secure for break even. So for me, it's gonna be too late to enter. Very nice. I like this kind of trades, guys, because its risk reward is 1-to-5. So I'm gonna be able to secure the trade just in a second, which is good. Okay. I will leave it for now. Okay, let's check microeconomic calendar. I'm looking at forexfactory.com, and right here, guys, we have quite a lot going on today. We are looking at high impact news. They are marked as red. So these red folders means that these are high impact news. And look at this, guys. In the morning, 8 a.m., we had some retail sales in Great Britain. That's okay. That was an hour ago, so it doesn't really matter anymore. It's not that important. 9:30, so in about 28 minutes time, we got German flash manufacturing PMI. So this is quite important, and this may affect euro. Okay, so if you want to trade on any currency pair related to euro, you need to include that in your trading plan, guys. Okay, let me just secure the trade on break even, guys, because you can see the price is going up. So the entry was perfect, I can say. Perfect entry, trade is secured. So we will see 1-to-5 risk to reward. It's a shame that I couldn't open this trade on live trading session on the account which we are using for live trading session because we were late 2 minutes, guys. But I was able to set that order on my other account, which is good, and slowly going up. To be honest, I'm trying to get a bit more because my take profit is very high. So this is 1-to-5, but I'm trying to get to level 5047. So I'm trying to get here. Okay. So I'm trying to get 7.5 to 1. We'll see. Of course, I'm gonna secure the trade, step by step. If we're gonna go a little bit higher, I'm gonna move stop loss, maybe secure some profit. I will do that. Okay, let's go back into our microeconomic calendar. And right here, what else we got? Manufacturing, GBP 1030 in Great Britain. We're gonna have also manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. That also is high impact news and can affect GBP, British pound. So a lot of going on today in the morning. And later on, Canada, guys, this is quite important as well. It's market medium impact, but you need to look at that as well. Core retail sales, 2:30 p.m. in Canada. That can affect, of course, Canadian dollar, and not only Canadian dollar, but it also can affect crude oil. So we will see what's going to happen later. And also at the same time, 2:30 p.m., we have advanced GDP in United States and core PCE price index at the same time. So we need to be aware of those news. 2:30, yeah, maybe we're gonna move our live trading session a bit, maybe to 2:30 or 3 p.m. I will let you know, guys. And 3:45 in United States, we got PMI also. So all day we got some news. So we need to be careful, guys. If we're gonna make any plan, we need to include all those news in our trading plan. So I'm gonna put this calendar on the side, and we're gonna check what can we do. So if we have some news on euro right now, it's early morning, and GBP, British pound. So maybe we're gonna avoid this currency pair, Euro USD and GBP USD, and we're gonna focus on other ones, maybe crude oil or gold, and we're gonna look for some opportunities. Later on, we need to be careful, but we're gonna we have some time, so don't worry. We're gonna do it. Hello, guys. Hi. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the chat. Any good Friday for you? Looking forward for the weekend. And let me know on the chat, how was your trading week? Any profits, any losses? How are we gonna finish this week? With profit, or maybe it was a bad week for you? Okay, guys, let's move on to the charts. We're gonna open a MetaTrader 4. We're gonna look for some all-in ASAP targets. Yes, we're gonna look for that. You can see also this setup here. I'm gonna explain that in a second. I've placed the order right here, and I had also volume level, and which worked. The price is coming back now. In the worst case, I'm gonna have break even. That's okay. Sometimes, you know, it's like that. So what can I say? Still got some space, so not worried too much. Okay. MetaTrader 4, Euro USD. Let's have a look what we got here. Sorry, I said Euro USD and GBP we're gonna leave for now. So let's check USD CHF, Swiss franc, and let's look for some targets. We got target here. This is valid. Oh no, I'm gonna have break even. The setup was good. No, they didn't close it yet. It's closed. Shit. That's no good. The setup was pretty good, but you know, that's why I said break even after 1-to-1 to avoid, you know, situation like that. Anyway, I didn't lose anything, which is good. The worst thing is gonna happen right now. If they're gonna go up, I'm gonna be a little bit frustrated. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I need to check something. Points. No, I think they're gonna go down. Yeah. There is another level somewhere around this area. 1 second. Can we find another place? No, this is no good. And this is for me a little bit too low. No, it can work, guys. We got another zone. 1 second. Too much on the chart. Let me just remove everything. This trade was so good. The entry was very nice, but you know, sometimes it is like this. Okay, this is 5 minutes time frame. We can look for something like 1 hour. 1 second. Okay, and I'm not sure if I want to do it like this. Maybe not. Or should we do it like that? Probably like this. Oh, we got some channel here. 1 second, guys. Yeah, we definitely got some channel. So we got nice spike move, we got some channel, and there is a chance we're gonna go higher. We're gonna try to use that. We got some area down the bottom. Maybe you can use it. Why not? I'm gonna jump into 5 minutes time frame. Wojtas, you finish with some profits this week. Very good, very good. Happy to hear that. No, gold, I'm not using price action cycle. It's too early for price action cycle. I never use price action cycle strategy at 9 a.m. After 12, maybe yes, but not at this moment, no. Okay, while we are on gold, let's have a look at this whole impulse hold situation right here. We can see the area is gone now, but look at these guys. It may work, but I don't like this candle here. They come back to close this imbalance. They nearly close it. It can be a little bit tricky. Do we have any volume levels? No, we don't have any. We don't have any volume levels. Okay, I don't like this area. It's looking good, you know, this gap here, but you can see this imbalance. The price went up, and I think they closed it. So, you know, maybe not in full, but they got into that area. So I don't think this is gonna work. Probably not. So basically, guys, we are moving up and down, from here to here, from here to here, up, down. So if we're gonna get here, we're gonna look for some trade to go up, and if we're gonna find nice place, we got chance that the price will later break through and go even higher. So we're gonna look for the trade somewhere around this area, maybe using volume footprint. We're gonna have a look at that later. Just wondering if this area is gonna work. This is 50%, nice area, but they came back and they closed my trade to break even, but I can see reaction now. No way. No freaking way. Came back, they grabbed some from here. This is nice area anyway. One second, guys. Because this is also some support resistance. The area is pretty good for the trade. I'm out of the trade now. Just thinking to re-enter, but the entry won't be so good. No, I'm gonna leave it. Let's wait for the price to go lower. Then maybe yes. I know we got reaction at 50%, so there is a chance we're gonna go up. Maybe we can try something else if the price will go up. I'm gonna look for some long position, but let them go first. Let them go a little bit higher. We'll see. Okay, let's leave gold for now. I'm gonna wait for them to come back. USD CHF, we got target, but this target is very close. Let's look for some other targets. Maybe our standard targets from all-in ASAP strategy from previous day. Now we have target, but this is quite far, so nothing to do with USD CHF, maybe USD JPY. Let's have a look. USD JPY has a target down the bottom. We can try to use it later, guys. This one here. Just remember that USD JPY is going up, okay? So we're gonna try to open the trade opposite direction. I don't like this kind of situation because we're trying to open the trade opposite direction, and it might be hard. So at the moment, no, for sure, I don't want to open the trade. Maybe after they're gonna go a little bit higher, we're gonna have some trend line. We're gonna try to use it, but not at this moment. No, for sure, no. USD CAD, focus market. Do we have any target? Let's have a look. Properties, I don't think we have. Look, the target is done. We are late. Here we had the chance to get to the target. Oh, too late. Too late. Anyway, we got crude oil also. We're gonna check all in ASAP strategy, then we're gonna look for some other trades, okay? Volume edge, I'm gonna remove that. Close. Let me just clear the chart. Okay, and let's have a look for some trades. Sorry, not trades, targets. Nice. Guys, look, we got target at the top, and we can try to use that target. I know the price is going down, and I know crude oil is pretty much high, but they are still going up. So maybe we're gonna have a chance to enter this trade, but we need to wait for them to go maybe a little bit lower. Then we're gonna look for the trend line, and we're gonna try to get to that target. This is pretty good target, but it's too early for us to enter the trade because you can see the price is going down at this moment. So we're gonna have to wait for this one. Do we have any clusters? Yes, we do have a cluster. So maybe the price will get to that cluster and we're gonna bounce, and we're gonna have much more space from this area. Also, I want to have a look at 4-hour time frame. This is some kind of support zone for buyers. So we might bounce from here. Here is the cluster support zone for buyers. So yeah, maybe it's gonna be a good place to enter the trade, but I cannot draw a trend line like this. It won't work, guys. So we need to wait for a pullback, go down, so we can draw a nice trend line, and then after breakout, we're gonna look for the trade to go up. Okay. So it's too early, but guys, we might have a chance to open the trade. We can check Asian session because now we are entering Asian session. So maybe after grabbing some liquidity, we're gonna have a chance to get to that target. So let me just mark this Asian session liquidity. We got target, which is good. We just need to wait for a perfect moment. So let them go a little bit lower. I need some pullback because I need another swing high, and we're gonna do it like this. After the breakout, we're gonna look for the trade to get to that target, which is above the price. This plan can be good, but like I said, first we need some pullback. I need some swing, and then I will think about this trade. At the moment, we can only save this plan. Of course, we need to adjust that plan later on because I'm not sure if this is gonna look like this. Probably, market will act a little bit different. So we need to be flexible. It can be something like this. Maybe price will go lower. So it can change, But the idea is to have another swing So we can put trend line right here, and after the breakout, we're gonna look for the trade. So let me just save this plan. Save. AllinTraders live sessions. We got February, and today is the 20th of February 2026. And this is okay. We're gonna put that in trading journal in the second. Trading journal, add new trade, trading plan, crude oil, we want to go up, strategy ASAP, lot size, I'm not sure, so we're gonna change that later, profit, not sure, open price, at the moment random, it doesn't matter because we don't know where we're gonna enter the trade yet. Open time, we don't know yet, close time, we don't know yet. Stop loss, not sure, maybe 25, 50, risk 0.25. Okay, let's choose file. Okay, safe trade. First plan of the day, we got here, crude oil. All right, so we need to wait a little bit to use that target. I know we got targets from yesterday, but these are like daily targets. If the price will not get to this target in the same day, I never use it again. Okay, they might go down and up, but I'm not trying to get to this target. Okay. Hello guys. Okay, we got crude oil. Do we have any target on S&P 500? Yes, we do have, but this is not looking great. And gold, what's going on with gold? Let's look at daily situation. It's hard to find the right place. Maybe like this with undershoots, but not really. Okay, the price is breaking through. We don't have any target we can use. It looks like we're gonna go up, and yeah, we will see. Do we have any target? This one is different. Properties. Let's check from 2 to 9. Okay, and this, yes, we have target here, guys. Oh, but I'm not sure. I think we are a little bit too close. A little bit tight. Let me just have a look. The target is here, 80 pips. No, 80 pips. Guys, I would have to set order with 1-to-1 risk to reward. I don't like this kind of risk to reward, so I will pass on this one, okay? Maybe they will get there, but 1-to-1, it doesn't work for me too well, so no, I'm not gonna do it. We need to find something else, guys. All right, we checked the targets, nothing special. Crude oil, maybe yes. Gold, maybe, guys, if the price will go lower and we're gonna have much more space, maybe we can use it later, but Probably they will get here now. Probably. So no chance. Okay, let's check smart money concept. I don't want to check euro. Maybe it's looking good, but I don't want to check it because, you know, we got some news in about 4 minutes time, I think. Let's have a look. Yes. German manufacturing PMI. So no, but we can check USD CAD. I'm gonna have a look at the sessions. Here we didn't get to, let's say, Asian session liquidity, but we got something like double top. And the price may go lower. Let's have a look from 1 hour time frame, how it looks like. The double top. So the sessions. Do we have any rotation channel? Let's have a look. I'm gonna start from here. It might be a little bit better, and probably like that. With some undershoot, overshoot, we are getting close to this area, and this area can be quite interesting for us. Okay, so I'm not looking for this moment for any short position, because you can see the main trend is bullish, and we're stuck in some kind of range, I can say. So let's jump into 5 minutes time frame, and let's have a look at this Asian session liquidity. And guys, this is looking very good. Why? Because the main trend from 1 hour time frame is bullish. Okay, this is very good for me because it's bullish and we want to go up. We got Asian session liquidity, which is down the bottom under this Asian session box. So we got some liquid pool. Okay, so if the price will go down and we're gonna enter this liquidity zone from Asian session, we're gonna get to the bottom of our bullish rotation channel from higher time frame. We're gonna try to enter the long position, and we're gonna have plenty of space to the other side. The first stop can be liquidity zone from Asian session on the other side. Okay, so from the top, but we can try to go a little bit higher. Okay, so I'm gonna save the screenshot for now. We're gonna have a look at the trade. Let me just save that. This is USD CAD basic buy. Basic buy. Good. Let's put that in our trading journal. Add new trade, and this is USD CAD. We want to go up. Strategy basic buy. Lot size, not sure. We're gonna change that later. Profit the same, I'm not sure. Probably $5,000. Yes, open price random for this for now, because we don't know yet where we're gonna enter the trade. Today is the 20th of February 2026. Open time. Stop loss, I'm not sure. Probably somewhere around 10 pips. Take profit, maybe 40 pips. We're gonna try 0.25. Choose file, and we got USD CAD basic buy, and we want to put that in trading plan. Safe trade. Good. We got 2 trading plans for today, guys. Okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. So the best trade will be if we're gonna have, you know, something like this, because we're gonna be able to add the trend line right here, and after the trend line we got 2 options. Aggressive one, guys. For the last few months, we can see that many times the setups work but sometimes they are not retesting the trend line or local support resistance zone. Sometimes they're going straight up. So there is a chance to open the trade more aggressive way after the breakout. If the one candle, you're gonna see signal candle closing above this trend line, and also on top of that, the candle need to close above exponential moving average, you can enter the trade more aggressively, and 2-to-1 you should be able to get. Because when you look at the previous days, sometimes they just go, without any pullback. Yesterday here, there was pullback, basically. Look, this is perfect setup, I can say. Breakout, retest, and boom. That's what we're looking for. But if you look at USD CHF, for example, let me just remove everything. Yeah, look, they grabbed liquidity. There was some kind of retest here. Okay, here there was some kind of retest. Yeah, but sometimes the price just going straight down, okay, without any retest, like here. No, there was no liquidity grab. Okay, yeah, but there is option of aggressive entry also. There is a chance for more aggressive entry, and USD-CAD. Yeah, so we're gonna look for that situation. It's looking good because we are in bullish rotation channel. You can I will show you my crude oil plan. No problem. Crude oil, I want to see the price go a little bit lower to Asian session liquidity. This is support resistance zone from higher time frame. Let me show you this on trading view. So we got some support resistance zone right in this place. We are entering this area. Also, we got some cluster a little bit lower. So to go down, and we're gonna look for the simple trend line because crude oil is going higher and higher. So I want to go with them. So the same breakout, and we're gonna try to go up. But let them first drop a little bit lower. We got some liquidity to grab, and we're just entering liquidity zone from Asian session. On the crude oil, no, here I've put random open price. This is random because I don't know exactly where I'm gonna enter the trade, so I need to put some informations here, otherwise I won't be able to save. That's why I've put open time 1, close time 2. This is random price. Look, this is price from different instrument. It doesn't matter. If I'm on open the trade, I will change all these parameters right here. So don't look at that for now. This is the most important. Okay, I want to check gold, guys, because gold is going up. My plan worked, but they cut me out on break even. That's no good. Yes, I've entered the trade here, and the price dropped. My stop loss was 450. Look at this trade, guys. It would be very nice, but nearly full take profit, but I moved my stop loss to break even, and they went up, down, they closed my position, and they are going up. But the plan was pretty good, so I'm happy with that because the strategy is working, the plan worked, so I'm not upset. Of course, it would be great to have some profits in the morning, but the plan is working, so it's good. No, on USD CAD, they didn't grab the liquidity. We have two double top here. We didn't enter the liquid zone. So it's double top. Oh, my coffee is finished, guys. What's going on? Okay, I want to have a look at gold because gold is looking good. Asian session. So I think we got to the target on gold. Yes, the price is getting close. Like I said, we could open the trade here 1-to-1, but I don't like this risk to reward ratio. That's why I pass. But you you can see it's working. If you like 1-to-1 risk to reward, you can do it, but doesn't matter now. So what's happening on gold from higher time frame, guys? What's going on? 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. Are we having some kind of pattern here? Maybe yes. Maybe yes. We can't find any rotation channel here. Maybe from lower time frame. We don't have any rotation channel. This is not rotation channel. Okay. So we got some kind of triangle. The price is slowing down, and we might have something like this, but there is a chance we're gonna get to the top of this triangle. We are getting close to the support resistance zone. If we're gonna break through, probably we're gonna go higher support resistance. They break it through, but they went back, and now we are back up again. We are back up again. Oh, I think I know where they are heading to, guys. Maybe we can join them. Look at this gap here. We still got this gap needs to be closed. Okay, and we are getting close to that level. Which level is that? 5041. Yeah, I think we're gonna close this gap. I'm not sure. I think we are too close now. Gap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna close it now. This is 5 minutes time frame. I'm not sure if you're gonna have a chance to enter the trade. Maybe after the retest, maybe we can look for the trade. This impulse is very nice. Here is gonna be a little bit low because they're gonna come back on the other side. I would like to see them staying on this side of support resistance zone and bounce here. This might be too deep because we might have something like this. So probably no. It's gonna be hard now to enter this trade. Guys, I had perfect entry, but they cut me out on break even. Come on, I would have 1-to-5 risk reward already. Shit. What can we do? We'll find any rotation channel here. Not at this moment, no. Unless we're gonna do it something like that. No, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, they are making small pullback. We will see. This is volume area, so this can be a trigger. We'll see. If they're gonna come back here, we're gonna look for the trade, you know. Maybe. Because we got this kind of gap here, we also can have reaction at that gap. Because usually when they are closing the gap, we got some kind of reaction. Maybe we can use that, but you know, we got plenty of space to this side of this triangle. So if we're gonna go up, we might get here maybe today even, because you know, this is only 1000 pips, 900 pips. So for gold, it's nothing, guys. Okay, we'll see if we can join them. Sorry, not rejoin. Okay, if we can join them again. This is also some volume zone, so yeah, maybe like this. So maybe here we're gonna try to enter, but the only thing is I don't like this zone here. Okej, Andrzej, jeżeli chodzi o cenę ropy, to co mam tutaj w statystykach, to ja tu wpisuję, ja mam plan zrobiony, ale ja nie wiem jeszcze po jakiej cenie będzie otwarcie, po jakiej cenie zamknięcie, więc tu jest w ogóle, to są rzeczy takie bym powiedział randomowe. Tak samo nie wiem, o której otworzę pozycję, o której zamknę, więc ja mam plan, ale szczegółowe informacje dopiero będę mógł wpisać tutaj dopiero później. Bo ja tak naprawdę nie wiem, czy cena się zatrzyma tu czy tu, więc ja nie wiem, czy będę z tego miejsca, z tego czy z tego miejsca szukał pozycji. To jest wstępny plan i on będzie modyfikowany w trakcie. Dlatego tutaj jest cena 6038. Okay, guys, I had to explain to Andrzej what's going on with the price level on crude oil. All right. 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's have a look at euro. Anything happened on euro? Small, I can say. Nothing special. What news we have now coming up? We got some news on euro, but on the euro there is nothing. Later on we got some news on in United States. So let's have a look. We are in some kind of bearish rotation channel. I wasn't sure if we're gonna have a reaction here, so I just, you know, it's looking better like this rotation channel, but look, it worked. Okay, there was a reaction. So basically we are somewhere at the bottom of this rotation channel. So maybe after breaking through this trend line right here, we're gonna be able to get to the top somewhere. Why not? We can check that, guys. Let's have a look if they grab some liquidity from Asian session. Yes, they did grab liquidity. Nice. They are retesting now this trend line. You know, we got plenty of space, so basically we could use a bit bigger stop loss. for 18 pips, and we could go for 39 pips take profit, more safe trades. But let's see if there will be reaction, because if we're gonna come back here, there is a chance we're gonna drop lower. So we need to wait. We are on the other side of this trend line, but I need to adjust this trend line a little bit. 2 seconds, guys. Let's check. No, it's not proper. It's not proper trend line like this. Yeah, now the situation is different. See, sometimes we need some precision, guys. Sometimes we need some precision. Here we had some reaction and the price stopped here. So no, we need to wait for the breakout, retest. And guys, we can get quite a lot of pips. Probably after the retest, our stop loss will be smaller. So we're gonna adjust that for now. So let's make a plan. This is from higher time frame. This is like basic buy setup, because basic buy setup, you can see usually we are using Asian session liquidity, and if the price will break through that trend line, usually we use trend line like this, but we can use main trend line from higher time frame to enter this trade. So all I need is to see something like this. So we want to enter the trade after the retest. Stop loss, it might be something like that, like this, and we're gonna try to get 2 or even 4 to 1, guys. All right, so that is the plan for Euro USD. We are already after the news on Euro, and we got plenty of time till 2:30 for the next news. So this plan can work. It's pretty good. Basic buy. Of course, you can try to enter more aggressive for this trade. And if the price will break through and they close it, basically you can open the trade, because they can, run away. So basically you can open the trade like this. This is the second option, okay? Second option. So we will see. I prefer breakout and retest, but we'll see what's gonna happen. So this can be good trade. Let me just save that into trading journal. Add new trade, instrument Euro. We want to go buy strategy, basic buy. Lot size, I'm not sure. So profit. Open time, not sure. Close time, not sure. Nice, we got another plan. It looks too easy to be real. These setups are usually easy. And you can see it's happening every single day. Look at here. Boom, to the other side. We got into here, up. Just need to find the right place to enter the position. The reactions are bigger, smaller, it's happening all the time. What can I say? It's pretty easy setup. That's why we are using this every single day. Sometimes you don't need 100 indicators, 100 confirmations. Some of the setups are pretty simple, guys. Okay, yes, and sometimes we just need a simple trend line. Okay, what else do we have here? GBP, we need to leave it because we got some news coming up in about 40 minutes time. So we don't want to open the trade before those news. We don't want to do that. USD CAD we got already planned, so let them drop down to Asian session liquidity, bounce from bottom of rotation channel, and we're gonna look for the trade. So this one is okay, and USD CHF, they grabbed liquidity not only from Asian session but from yesterday tops, guys. Look at this. And we have a chance to go down, but I'm not sure. Let me just check something, because we are moving in some kind of flag. So we got spike and channel, and we are somewhere at the bottom. So if we're gonna break through, we might have a chance to go down, but I don't want to enter the trade too early, because you can see the price is moving from the side to side, from the top to the bottom. So here there was reaction. So there is a chance we're gonna bounce and we're gonna go straight up. So we need to be careful, guys. So we need to be careful. But after the breakout, we can use this to go down. We can use this channel, guys. Trend lines, support resistance zones. Usually the market is retesting those areas. So why not to use it? If this is some kind of channel and we're gonna break through, we need to wait for the retest to go down. And we can use that, of course. Why not? I don't think we have any rotation channel, target. No, we don't have. Expert advisors, properties, okay, load. No, this is done. This is done. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that. There is a chance, because we got some Asian session liquidity down here, we might enter this area, then we might have reaction, and then to go down. Okay, remember this area. This is liquid zone. So this situation might be pretty good. You just save this. This is USD CHF. It's kind of basic sell, because they grabbed some liquidity from the top, but there was no chance to enter the trade, so it can be basic sell. And we are getting close. We will see in a second. We can also have a look at volume levels. If we got any volume levels, that sometimes help us also to spot the nice place to enter the trade. This is nice. This is nice. Don't think they're gonna come back here. Probably not. Okay, I want to have a look at euro, because if this is going down, euro probably going up. Yes, we are breaking through. So the first option, if this candle is gonna close like this, we can enter position like more aggressive, like this. If this candle is gonna close bullish on this side of the channel, be careful, guys, because look, it's too early, not yet. Because this is some kind of support resistance zone, and they stop here. They need to break through this small, tiny local support zone, support resistance zone. So if the candle is gonna close like this, yes, we can enter the trade. And the second option, retest. Okay. Retest. No, you can see it's too early now. We got some reaction, and also this is 50% of this Asian session box, which is no good because sometimes price is reacting at this level at 50%. There is a chance we're gonna go down. So if the price will drop down under this trend line right here, and they're gonna retest it, there is a chance they're gonna go down. But I don't want to use it. I'm looking for a situation like this. I want to go up. Okay. Yeah, this is support. We need to get to the other side. So we got another option based on the support resistance, because if the price will go up like this, we don't need to wait for the price to drop here, and then we can just wait for the price to retest this support zone and then enter the trade. Stop loss and take profit. So it's all about this area right now. It's all about this area. Guys, we're going to move to the Discord channel in a second. We're going to have another live trading session. So we need to finish in 3 minutes time, guys. So we know what to do. We got few plans. I'm going to try to use them. Crude oil, USD CHF, USD CAD, and Euro. So we got 4 different plans. We just need to wait for the right moment to enter the position, okay? We cannot just open it right now. We need to wait for the perfect situation, so we're gonna have more chances to succeed. So guys, for now, that's it. We're gonna move to Discord, and we're gonna make some other plans, maybe on other assets. So guys, thank you for now. Thank you for being here. Today is Friday, so take it easy. You don't want any stop losses before weekend, trust me. So yeah, later on, another session. I will let you know if you're gonna move the time or it's gonna be at the same time like it should be. So 2 p.m. We might have to move it to 2:30. We will see. So guys, thank you for now. I wish you good luck, a lot of profits, and watch those currencies because we might have chance to open the trade soon. So thank you for now, and I will see you guys later on. So good luck and take care.